The last session saw a very unusual, unpredictable camaraderie within the India bloc, at least on the SIR issue. This time the irony is that DMK also is against SIR, Mamata Banerjee is obviously against it, the Congress of course is against it, but they are not saath-saath. Aman, but still, do you think the SIR issue, and I know this, that Rahul Gandhi pleaded with the India bloc leaders that let's forget everything, whatever may have happened in Bihar doesn't matter, at least let's come together and put up a united front. But the chinks in the armor is there to see.
Clearly, SIR, Pallavi, is an obsession of Rahul Gandhi. We have seen that during the Bihar election campaign also, when the SIR I saw on the ground and we all went and we shared the same feedback, that was not so much an issue on the ground, especially after the initial phase was over when people had to undergo a bit of difficulty in giving documents. But when the elections came, it was not an issue. But I think Rahul Gandhi diverted the entire Bihar election campaign, at least of the Congress party, to make it all about the SIR, and that has failed in a big way when the results came. But I think Rahul Gandhi, what I am told, is firmly believes that SIR is something on which he can corner the government and the EC. This is similar to, earlier he said Chaukidar Chor hai, that didn't work. Now he's saying vote chori ho raha hai. He solidly believes in this issue. And that is why he's keeping on pressing on it. He's telling other opposition parties to rally around him. He's telling his own party, as you reported yesterday, to not get diverted by this National Herald matter or anything. Just keep the focus on the SIR. So it may be a political issue inside the parliament. The opposition may want to make it. But on the ground, amongst the people during elections, when it comes to getting the mandate from the people, I don't think this issue is gathering much traction for the opposition parties. And I think the Bengal election will be a test again for the same, because Mamata Banerjee, the way she's objecting to the SIR, if Mamata Banerjee is able to retain power in West Bengal come March next year, maybe she can cite that it was her vehement opposition to the SIR that she managed to save her state from going to the BJP. But I think so far the BJP is very clear that EC mandated exercise. EC is not doing it across the country. Even BJP ruled states which are not going to polls right now, Rajasthan, the elections are far off, are also undergoing the SIR. So I think the BJP is UP also. Uttar Pradesh also. I saw somebody coming to my house with the SIR form. I have also filled it up
because I voted Noida. Yeah, I have also filled it up, by the way.
I also voted Noida. I filled up my form.
हम तो डूबेंगे, तुमको भी ले डूबेंगे सनम.
So which is why the Sanams are walking away.
Saying that first of all, one Sanam, Samajwadi Party has said कि या तो SIR पे डिबेट होगी या पार्लियामेंट चलेगी नहीं. TMC saying वंदे मातरम पे हम डिबेट कर सकते हैं. By the way, I want to ask one question. If SIR was the reason why Rahul Gandhi lost in Bihar, vote chori, the first statement Jaiprakash Majumdar from TMC gives, ये राहुल को हटाओ, ममता लाओ. Then the second statement from Ravidas Mehrotra, ये इंडिया अलायंस का नेतृत्व राहुल से नहीं हो पा रहा है, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा, अखिलेश जी को लाओ. So on the one hand, they are saying that हम नेता है, राहुल से हो नहीं पा रहा, 95 elections is lost. Then they say we are all together on SIR. ये देखो दल मिल चुके हैं, दिल कभी नहीं मिलते इनके. And अभी तो बिहार में रिव्यू मीटिंग में RJD के Congress did not go. Where is the unity?
But Shahzad, tell me one thing. If you're speaking about Bengal, if you're going to make SIR and illegal immigration the big issue, how are you going to counter what the TMC is saying? Is after all BSF which is responsible for stopping illegal immigration. BSF reports to Home Ministry. Home Ministry is of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Arunima, you are too accomplished a reporter to not know that just 2 days ago the High Court in Kolkata has come down heavily on Mamata Banerjee government for not allocating the land to BSF so that it can build its checkposts. We have in the last 10-11 years, under the leadership of Rajnath ji and then under the leadership of Amit Shah ji, have stopped infiltration by 90 to 95%. It is on record. We fenced the entire border except for this 400-kilometer stretch in Bengal. So infiltrators are not coming in. We did away with the IMDT Act, which legitimized infiltration. We have ensured that they start getting detected, deleted and deported. But who puts a spanner in the process? The likes of Prashant Bhushan, who go and then put a spanner in the Rohingya deportation case. Having said that, this is not our core issue. This is an exercise that the constitutional body of the Supreme Court has said. It has to happen. And a Bengali has to vote, not a Bahari. A Bihari has to vote, not a Bahari. We are not.
To be very fair, even for Mamata Banerjee, it's not a core issue. You know what she does? She goes step by step. Abhi, she's keeping the issue alive. You energize your cadre. I come in from the state, Shehzad, so इस पे तुम मेरे साथ argue मत करना. But Arun, let's talk about back to
Bangladesh.
Yeah, because Murshidabad, Malda, Dinajpur is a problem area. That is where really there has been a large amount of illegal immigrants. But Arun, just to come back to Parliament again. We are going to hear the Prime Minister speak in a short while from now. At 10 a.m. is going to be the opposition parties meeting in Mr. Kharge's room. I wonder how many from the opposition will go there. TMC, as Payal reported yesterday, has decided to skip. And of course, there is going to be the NDA meeting. The NDA meeting, uspe, what is it that they are likely to focus on? What's their strategy inside Parliament?
NDA's strategy is going to be very, very clear. You know, they would want House to function. And that has been, of course, the line which every minister of the government saying yesterday when Kiran Rijiju, of course, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, when he was going for that all-party meeting, before that he spoke to media, he said कि ये winter session है, शीतकालीन सत्र है, इसमें सबको जो है वो cool रहना होगा. And then, of course, we heard what happened inside that all-party meeting. And, you know, for NDA, of course, the important thing here is that they show this front that, look, they are ready, but everything needs to have a process. And what is important for them is to pass those important bills, you know, which are lined up for this session. And therefore, they would, of course, be saying that, look, we are here for business, and it is only these opposition parties who are creating ruckus and not letting the House function. We have seen, Pallavi, even in the last session also, some of the important bills, whether it is online gaming bills and the income tax bill, they all were passed even when the opposition were protesting. So government wants a business, and that's what you will be seeing in this session also. On the other hand, of course, we've been speaking about the SIR, and for the opposition side, Pallavi, of course, they would be showing you know, a unity on this, because we've already seen fisheries in the opposition parties. We've been discussing about Bihar SIR. When I was in Bihar, I was not only speaking to people, but in fact, the opposition parties, they were not happy with the entire campaign as they led it only on SIR. And now, of course, as Shehzad also highlighted, that the divide is coming out. You know, Congress party is not going for that opposition parties meeting in Bihar. So the issue was always there, but they were not speaking about it. Now it's very much in the open. So we'll have to see. Interestingly, and also, of course, CP Radhakrishnan will be, of course, presiding for the first time in the Rajya Sabha. That's going to be very interesting, how he is going to really take up the mantle of that responsibility. So that's also going to be a very interesting bit of it.
Forget the Parliament session. Even the oath of the Vice President was boycotted by Nepo kid Rahul. He boycotted the oath of first Chief Justice of India from Haryana. He boycotts national programs like Independence Day. So this man does not have a problem with BJP. BJP is only in the way. He has a problem with India and India's protocol, constitutional issues.
Yes. So NDA is speaking after Bihar elections. NDA is speaking in one voice. They're rejuvenated, but opposition has fissures in their ranks. But where are parties which are which are trying to be neutral? Where are they standing? There could be some key bills in this session as well, opening up the private sector for investment in atomic energy is one key bill. There's also bills looking at Manipur and its financial health. Where do these neutral parties stand? Payal Mehta and my other colleagues have been speaking to leaders across the spectrum. This is what they have to say.
You see, as far as the Biju Janata Dal is concerned, as directed by our Honourable President Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, there are several issues we'll be taking up in the coming session. Unemployment, price rise, inflation are key issues that are affecting the country. Demand for special category status for the state of Odisha. We are also going to raise issues relating to the deteriorating law and order situation in the state of Odisha, rising crimes against women and children in the state of Odisha, corruption that is happening in the state of Odisha, like the police recruitment scam, which is being investigated by CBI. Nuapada by-elections in Odisha saw large-scale irregularities and discrepancies of how votes were completely given a by various factors under the nose of the Election Commission by the ruling party in Odisha, the BJP.
Is the SIR also an issue for the Akali Dal?
Yes, absolutely is an issue, but many parties raise that, which is what I requested them, that if it's a concern with all the major parties and you don't allow a discussion on the functioning of the Election Commission, on the bribes which are being doled out during elections, on SIR, if you don't allow these, then this parliament is, the new parliament building may be very fancy, but our constitution and our democracy is becoming more and more of a mockery.
परंपरागत रूप से जो बैठक होती है सर्वदलीय, निश्चित रूप से जब देश का लोकतंत्र खतरे में हो, लोकतंत्र की हत्या की जा रही हो, वोट चोरी नहीं अब तो डकैती हो रही हो, तो वो मुद्दा उठेगा। देश के अन्य हिस्सों में आतंकवादी गतिविधियां तो अपनी जगह, पर दिल्ली में जब ब्लास्ट होने लगे, बहाली का मुद्दा हो जम्मू कश्मीर के लोकतांत्रिक अधिकार का, और मोदी जी की विदेश नीति तो उतनी ही भटक गई जितना खुद मोदी जी भटके हुए। उन्हें मालूम ही नहीं होता कब वो सोवियत रूस, कब यूनाइटेड स्टेट अमेरिका, कब चीन के साथ क्या बात कर लेते हैं।
Okay, so that was the opposition voices. We've got to multiple voices from the opposition as well as from the government. In a short while from now, the Prime Minister will be coming and the usual address to the media. There is going to be an opposition party meeting also at 10 a.m. and the big NDA meeting also at 10:30 a.m.
With all that